Thanks and welcome. We're living in the age of super convenience for some. I'm talking about robots can literally deliver your burrito to your doorstep. And yet, at the same time, we're entering a time of more wars, more natural disasters, and suffering in ways that are just absolutely crazy. While some of us, have the complaint, damn, I can't eat out anymore. I feel ya. There are 93.1 million people in disaster zones without the basics like food and water. This is not just some suffering like, seeing something or hearing something horrible. This is like the very life force of who you are. Just things slowly stop working. All right. And it should not be controversial to use the same robot drones that are delivering that burrito to people's houses to provide food and water, the basics to children in crisis zones. Come on, let's do this. This is Robots for Good. First, I want to highlight companies who are actually doing the most. So Zipline, they have been delivering food, blood, vaccine, and medicine to over 1 million people. They've been the robots for good in countries like Rwanda, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Japan, Côte d'Ivoire. Don't know why I went for the French word there, but Ivory Coast and the United States. All right. That's pretty, they're doing some really good stuff in the world, and that's why I want to give them the time and show the video of this company. Next, we're going to talk about Amazon Prime Air. You've probably seen the ad. And they claim that they're going to start delivering packages in 30 minutes, very soon. And if we can get our snacks there that fast, we can definitely, deliver aid to disaster zones much quicker than we do. And the reason I highlight Amazon is it's a service of robots of drone delivery that you're probably going to be using pretty soon. And I'm just trying to balance out our roles as, I'm not one to just get on my channel and talk, oh, this cool tech. I highlight it, and then I also want to, balance out our roles as consumers and as people who are going to create a more positive future. So I know a lot of our tax dollars, a lot of your money is going towards military and drone technologies, and I think now that we have that technology, it should not be, it's a very reasonable ask to start delivering the basics to children in these zones, no matter your nation state, no matter your party. Let's demand this of our leaders. This is Robots for Good. Hey, it's Jason Maddow, and I welcome you to Robot News Alert. Robots are changing everything about jobs. There's going to be fewer, more higher paying opportunities. So to achieve your goals, it's important that you're going to set up additional income streams. You're going to learn about the opportunities in robotics, and you're going to create a support network with your peers so you can provide the basics to those in need whenever they get left out of the economy. This page is designed to do exactly that. So I invite you to subscribe and check in the link description below for some more resources.